Alrighty, so in this challenge review, we're going to go ahead and create the enemy spawn system. So let's open up our spawn manager. So the first thing I needed to do is create a coroutine to spawn the enemy every 5 seconds. So here we will have an IE numerator for our coroutine, and we'll call it enemy spawn. Now inside this enemy spawn, I'm going to use a while loop so that I can spawn the enemies indefinitely using while true. The first thing I want to do is I need to instantiate my enemy. So instantiate. I'm going to go ahead and use the enemy ship prefab. I'm going to spawn it at a position above the screen and with a random X. So new vector 3 will say random.range between -7f and +7f on the X. 0 for our Y. I'm sorry, 7 for our Y, so it's above the screen, and 0 for our Z position. Next, I don't really care about rotation, so we do quaternion.identity for default or no rotation. Now, I'm not done here. If I were to run this, the editor would crash. So I want to do while true instantiate, and then I want to wait 5 seconds. So we'll say yield return new, wait 4 seconds, and we'll go ahead and wait 5.0f. Let's go ahead and save this and give it a shot. Go ahead and run our game. Now, it's not working, and the reason for that is because we actually never started our coroutine. So if we head back into our spawn manager script, you'll see here that we have this enemy spawn, and let's go ahead and rename this to enemy spawn routine. We never started it. So in order to actually run this IE numerator, we need to call start coroutine in our start method, which is right when the game starts, and we'll go ahead and say enemy spawn routine. Go ahead and save this. Now head back into Unity, test it out, and we should see that our enemies are now spawning every 5 seconds. And there you go. We now have a pretty functioning, awesome looking game. Okay, in the next section, we'll go ahead and take a look at instantiating our prefabs.